How to raid on Twitch. Hi, welcome to TechTurks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to raid on Twitch. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first, simply log into your Twitch account on your web browser, and then afterwards, go to the upper right-hand corner of your Twitch dashboard. Click on the profile icon, and here in your profile icon, go to Video Producer, or channel rather. So here in your channel, you are just going to go to your chat section. So here, click on chat, and then afterwards, when you're already streaming, you can go to your stream chat, and then afterwards click on this command or type in this command /raid and input the channel that you would want to raid on. Right, say for example, I'm gonna raid the channel of Enviosity here. Okay, and hit on enter. As you can see, Enviosity's raid settings do not allow me to raid at this time just yet. So let's try another channel. So basically, you cannot raid a specific group if you are not being allowed by Twitch to do so. So you need to have the permission of that specific channel in order for you to raid on that channel. And basically, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.